If you're here, it's because you're looking for some information about Kartra, right? So if you want to know more about it, you don't need to find out any more videos because I'm going to explain everything to you on this video. So Kartra is an all-in-one platform that helps runs your business on automation. Everything that you need is integrated into one place. So with Kartra, you are able to create a lot of pages, sales pages, confirmation pages, thank you pages, landing pages, and on those pages you can integrate quizzes, calendar, forms, and checkout. So you don't need to find another platform to sync it with Kartra. Once again, it's an all-in-one platform. It really helps to build your sales funnel online so you can generate money on automation. So you also have the possibility to create a website with Kartra and a blog. Inside Kartra, you are able to host your course and your membership. So that is one of the most wonderful things, is that any type of digital product that you might want to sell or share even for free as a lead magnet to, your leads and to your clients, you can host that inside Kartra. So if you're selling any type of course or program online or membership, your buyers will have their own portal and they can enter that portal and have access to your course. I'm actually hosting my program inside Kartra, so this is a preview of it. And I'm also hosting my ebook and any type of digital product that I want to share with my leads and clients. But you can also manage your email marketing with Kartra. So you are able to send email sequences or, emails that you want to send week by week that you are writing, on the go to your list. Kartra is also a CRM platform. So CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. You can see absolutely everything about them. So here I am inside Kartra. I did create like a fake lead just to show you. So here is the place where you can have all the information about your leads. Obviously, their identity, you can even add a photo, their social media, everything about their profile, the tag they received, but also in what list they have subscribed, the communication they have received, the email sequences they have been part of. And this is exactly where you're able to see, the emails they have open, click on, the memberships or courses they have access to or they don't have access to, the surveys they have participated to, the calendars, if they book, a coaching session or consulting session with you, if you have a service-based business, the transaction, if they have bought multiple products or one product from you, and also all of the information about, their logging. And then the help desk is the client service that you provide inside the platform. So maybe that person have visited a page and wanted to ask a question before buying the course, or inside your course, they wanted to ask a question because they have some difficulties. You can have all the emails and communication you have exchanged with that lead over here. Why do I recommend to use platforms like Kartra that are like all-in-one is that it helps you manage everything from one place and you don't have to use many different platforms to sync together to make sure that people receive, any products or lead magnet or communication, and all of the data and information is at one place. It's less stress, less mess, and less of a headache to manage your business than to have to sync multiple platforms. Back in the day, I used to use MailChimp as an email marketing system, and I used to have a lot of problems when it comes to having multiple lead magnet and to make sure that people receive them. I would say that Kartra is actually made for any people who are like online educators that want to create courses, membership, and programs, sell any type of digital products. And also it is a platform that is perfect if you have a coaching business or a consulting business. It's also perfect for you if you're running any type of agency, marketing agencies, branding agencies. If you want to have more information about Kartra agency, make sure to watch this video over here. Here is some sales page templates that are mine that I've created for my own business, just for you to have, an idea of how you can create a sales page that is on brand. This is something that I also like with Kartra, is that it's a plug and play system with the pages. It's actually not that complicated. And this is what I teach inside my program, the Brand New Boost Academy. It's how to create your whole sales system online, your sales funnel using Kartra. So inside my program, I do integrate sales pages, confirmation pages, actually kind of everything, even like the welcome email sequences. Like, you don't have to worry about that. And we are going to put everything in place for you to be able to run your business in a short amount of time. So if you want more information about that, make sure to click in the link below and you will see what the program is about. So Kartra is perfect if you want to save time and save money, because instead of putting a fortune into different platforms and trying to make them sync together, you can use that one platform that is an all-in-one platform. So here is a quick walkthrough inside Kartra. So on the left corner of the page, you will have your menu, and everything that you have to manage for your business online is here. So under my products, it's all the products that you have created. This is where you set up the price, the discount, the name of the product, the visual, etc. My communication is the place where you actually manage all of your email marketing, your newsletter, your broadcast, your email sequences. On my pages, those are all of the pages that you might create for yourself or for your business, whether it's a website or a sales page. So over here, you can see my sales page for Black Friday. I'm going to show you another one. So this one is actually a sales page template that I sell for Kartra users. So this is a quick preview, but to actually work on the page and edit, you just click on your page on the three dots and then you go on edit. Then after that, you can go into my forms. So here are all of the opt-ins that you're going to use to generate leads to your emailing list. You can actually customize the opt-in. You can keep it super simple like this and embed it to your website, whether you have a Wix website or WordPress website, Squarespace. You can actually just use the code and embed it anywhere you want. Or you can customize it into Kartra and make it just a little bit more appealing to the eye if it's for a lead magnet, for example. Under my membership, you will have all of the courses or program that you have created. And then on my videos, this is where you actually have all of your files and videos of your course, of your email marketing. Maybe you're sharing a video on your emails. This is where you're going to upload it. And you can also manage your calendar if you're a coach or a consultant, so people can book you for a session, for a call. You can create surveys, but I will do another specific video with a complete walkthrough of Kartra just to make it easy for you. So with Kartra, if you want to collect the money to your bank account, you will have to sync it with either a Stripe account or a PayPal account. So Kartra doesn't take any fees on any transaction, but PayPal and Stripe will take a little bit of fee on your transactions. So now let's talk about the fact that Kartra actually give you the option to create not only your sales funnel, but also your whole website on it. I would not recommend personally for you to create your website on Kartra, just because it's like putting all of your eggs on one basket if you create your website and all of your sales funnel inside that one platform, and you never know what could happen. Even though Kartra is a very good platform, in almost 3 years of using it, I've never had any bugs or problem with that platform. Even though you are a newbie, after a few weeks, I would say, of trying to play with buttons and stuff like that, you will find that platform really easy to use. And that's why I focused on Kartra for the moment with my program to help you build your online sales funnel. So if you want to use Kartra and use the platform, you have access to a free trial. Because I am a member and I've been using that platform for over 3 years for my business, I do have a link that is an affiliate link. So if you want to use it, that will give you the free trial access for 30 days. So you have the link down below, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So this is how you're going to have access to the 30-day trial for Kartra. So you're going to go into Google, and on the search bar, just copy paste the link. After that, on the menu, you're going to click on plans and pricing. So when you land on the plan and pricing page, just scroll down a little bit, and after that, just go into the left corner of your page as if you were leaving, and it's gonna generate this pop-up over here that Kartra is gonna show you. So it says, wait, don't leave before you read this. For a very limited time, double your trial. And this is how actually you get access to the 30-day trial of Kartra. So after that, you're gonna click yes, double my trial, and start to create your free Kartra account, and you will be able to try the platform with all of the features for 30 days. Only do this step when you are ready to create your account, because if you click no or if you just close the pop-up, it might not generate it again. Also, guys, if you're just starting with building your sales funnel online, or if you have a sales funnel but it doesn't convert like that, make sure to grab my free guide in the link below. It is called The Best Converting Funnels, and I share with you a lot of funnels that actually helps you convert on Evergreen to your challenges, your courses, your memberships, or your programs. So now let's talk pricing. So Kartra is $99 per month if you decide to pay for it on a monthly basis. But if you go for the yearly plan, it's gonna be $75 for the starter plan. If you're really into building your sales funnel and you're interested about Kartra, make sure to watch this video before you leave, because it is still about Kartra. So you make sure that you start with this platform on the right foot. And as for me, I will see you on the next video. Bye!